We are going to take a quick look at a Voorwood A117B shape and sand. This machine does have 3 shaping stations. They're belt drives and 7.5 horsepower each. The spindles are going to be 1.25 inches. There are also 4 sanding stations. The sanding stations have 25 millimeter spindles because they're set up for turbo sand heads, and these are 1/3 horsepower each. Currently, we do have the door switches bypassed with magnets just so we can demonstrate the machine. This machine currently has 3,610 hours on it, so it is not a high hour machine. We currently have the feed on at the lowest setting. The feed is 2 horsepower, and I believe the lowest feed speed is 5 feet per minute. As you can see, it is kind of crawling. As you can hear, it's a quiet running machine. I'm talking over the microphone, and yet you can still hear me. I am going to go ahead and turn that feed speed up to about 50%. And finally, we will turn it up to 100%. You do have variable speed on those sanding heads from 300 to 1140 RPM. And when you hit the E-stop, it is going to completely kill all the power on the machine. We'll reset that E-stop, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold your shutoff on for about 3-4 seconds. It's going to bring you back to the computer, and again, you can just thumb through. Really simple to use. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.